How to enable split screen on Android? This tutorial shows you how to use two apps at the same time using split screen on your Android device. First, open the first app you want to use in split screen. After that, tap on the Recent Apps button at the bottom of your screen to open the Recent Apps menu. From there, tap on the app icon or thumbnail at the top of the app card. At this point, tap on Open in Split Screen View from the options that appear. In the next step, the first app will snap to the top half of your screen, and your recent apps will appear on the bottom half. Following this, select the second app you want to use from the Recent Apps list, and it will fill the bottom half of the screen. Once done, you can adjust how much screen space each app gets by dragging the divider line in the middle up or down. From here, both apps will now be fully active and usable at the same time. Finally, to exit split screen, simply drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom of the screen, and split screen will be dismissed. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you enable split screen, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.